E30, E7, flat 5.
Skip the ribcage up.
B flat minor.
Okay, then up.
Add 9. Plus 9.
1/2 up. Thank you.
G flat 7. E major 7. E13, flat 5. B flat minor. B minor 9.
Not
B
lock.
minor 9.
Yeah, this one's lock. This one's, yeah, again, higher. Evening.
G7,
Evening.
G7, sus. C major 7.
Breathe.
F13, flat 5. C minor 9.
Okay, higher.
A flat sus. D flat, major 7.
Breathe.
G flat 13, flat 5.
Breathe.
E flat minor.
Napanaginipan ko na to.
Napaginipan mo to? May deja vu ka? Talaga?
10 beses niya kung mag-deja vu sa isang araw.
No, promise. Akala nyo.
Nanalo ka ba?
Pata, hindi ko
Wala,
lang
hindi
alam.
niya naman. Wala sa deja vu niya yun. Okay. Sige. Okay.
So, si Chet Baker yan.
Meron yan.
Meron siya, marami may versions nito.
George Shearing.
Sir.
Ah, go! Breathe. Ganda ng chords. George Shearing. Don't collapse on the sustain. Okay. You can find the recording, Chris, there. You can. You have.
Dito po.
Oo, meron. Sige, gusto ko, pakinggan nyo lahat, ha. So, Monday, learn it. Write the lyrics down. Monday, we'll do it as vocalist. It's very good exercise.
Pakinggan niyo
Because
yung
hindi,
Chet Baker.
unang-una, hindi madali yung intervals. So, ang laki ng lilulukso sa, sa range. Kailangan pag-isipan mo, pagplanuhan mo mabuti, paghandaan. Hindi lang pwedeng titira ka. Kasi, da-da-da-da-da, ano, na-na. Kailangan smooth na smooth yan eh. Okay? So, it's a good exercise. We'll use that as an exercise on Monday. So, pakinggan yon during your free time para masanay kayo, mabuo natin yung kanta. We'll go through all your songs that you're gonna do for Saturday, but I want you to do it with your action. Ha? Wala pa rin? Kailan yung gagawin yun? Pero naisip-isip nyo na kung anong gusto nyo gamiting mga galaw. Naisip nyo na, you took my hand so tenderly. Hindi ko kabisado. Nakanta siya. The evening breeze. Mabubuo ka ba? Caress the trees tenderly. Wala akong lyrics. Sige, sa Monday. Hanapin ko.
Sayang, hindi ko na
Kasi yun lang ang gagawin ko ngayon eh.